In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add outlines to texts in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the outline option, how to apply it, and how to tweak it so your text stands out cleanly and professionally. Start by opening your project. This can be any design you're working on, presentations, social posts, thumbnails, you name it. Once your design is on the screen, click the text you want to outline. If you have multiple text boxes, make sure you're selecting the exact one you want to change. If the text is part of a group, click again to isolate the text layer so the right controls appear. With the text selected, look toward the toolbar at the top of your screen and click Effects. This is where Canva keeps text styles like shadow, lift, and, importantly for us today, outline. In the Effects panel, choose Outline. As soon as you click it, you'll see your text gain a stroke around the letters, which helps separate it from busy backgrounds or bring emphasis to titles. Now, let's fine-tune it. Use the thickness control to adjust how bold the outline appears. A lighter thickness works well for clean, minimal designs, while a thicker outline is great for bold headlines or when your background has lots of detail. Next, pick a color. Click the color swatch and choose a hue that contrasts with your text and background. High contrast is key. A dark outline around light text or a light outline around dark text increases readability and gives a crisp, polished look. If you use brand colors, this is a good place to stay consistent. As you adjust, keep an eye on legibility. Very thin outlines can disappear on complex images, and very thick outlines can crowd narrow fonts. If your font is delicate, a moderate outline usually looks best. For strong, blocky fonts, you can push the thickness a bit more. Try zooming in to check edges and zooming out to see how it reads at a glance, especially if your design will be viewed on small screens. When you're happy with the look, that's it. You've added an outline to your text. If you want to apply the same styling to other text in your project, select those text boxes and repeat the process so your design stays cohesive. Thanks for watching. If this helped, consider exploring more text effects in the same panel to complement your outline and elevate your design even further.